Hi everyone, in this quick video I want to show you how to create a new page in your Figma file. So let's go to your file and in the layers panel let's select page 1 in the right corner of the sidebar, and here in the page section let's hit this plus icon to add new page. And here our page is created. We can add a page name, and here, as you can see, we can use pages in our files to structure our design system better, and we can create as many pages as we want. We are not limited in Figma. So that's it guys for this video, and I will see you in the next one.